animal wash works great.
Maureen, you look, I'm gonna say it, beautiful.
Yes, she does. And now all the animals are clean.
Whew! And just in time. Farm Animal Petting Day is about to start. Let's load these animals up and get trucking.
Farmer Zoe, this Farm Animal Petting Day is amazing. And so is your ooey gooey jam. And speaking of jams, I'm DJ Rubble and I'm here to say, time to pet the farm animals today. We got clean chickens and a shiny pig, and here comes Maureen doing a jig. Wiggle, wiggle. Maureen, while you're dancing, you can join us for a wiggle and wag. We built a farm animal wash! Rubble and crew! And it's pucktastic! That's what we do! First, we need a foundation for our reuse it station. Lay down the bricks. 1, 2, 3. Reusing trash? So easy! I'm making roof shingles out of tin cans. And I'm drilling them in! Our tin can roof is ready to go. Grab it, lift it, reuse it. Sorting bins, coming in. Nothing turns old things new like a mix makeover.
Yo, pups! That is one cool reuse it station. You are truly the cleanup heroes of Builder Cove.
Oh!
I don't know about that. Looks like you pups missed a spot. Huh.
Not a problem, Speedmeister. See, we can just put the bottle here.
It goes into the station where it's cleaned with water and super strong soap. My favorite part.
And then it comes out the other side and into a bin so we can reuse it.
For me? Thank you! Oh, I can't believe I'm gonna say this. But, pups, the reuse it station is pretty cool.
We agree. And now we're gonna do something pretty cool. Come on, family. Let's wiggle and wag. We built a reuse it station. Rubble and crew. And it's pucktastic. That's what we do. You got it. Glue blaster. Ready, aim, glue. And done.
That straw is amazing and so twisty. I love it.
And best of all, the coconuts will safely roll down the straw when the roller coaster knocks them off the tree.
Oh, this is making me dizzy. I'm okay.
The coconut landed right into my shop. Thank you, pups. Okay, it's smoothie making time.
Okay, kids, I don't think we can wait any longer. Whew, it is too hot.
Ice cold smoothies! Get your ice cold smoothies! Yay!
Wow! Whew, that hit the spot.
This smoothie is really yummy. And I'm not so hot anymore.
My smoothie cooled me off, too.
I think we're all now cool enough to get on the roller coaster.
Oh, you pups should join us.
Hey, family! Let's celebrate with the roller coaster wiggle and wag.
We built a smoothie shop. Rubble and crew. And it's pucktastic.
And I love, love, love it! I just wish I had a better view. I think the bears like it. I can't quite see from here.
Actually, Park Ranger Rose, we thought of that. We put some cameras on Bear Island so you can always check on the mama bear and Fuzzy.
Yow! The cameras are a great idea. Look at you, so nice and safe. And now everyone can see how cute these bears are from a safe distance. Thank you, pups, and thank you, Rocky. You saved the day.
Woohoo!
Speedmeister?
Yep. And just in case you don't have one of those tablet thingies, you can use this telescope I made. You just put your eye right here and yap-a-roozy. Oh, giant turtle, giant turtle! Oh, Mr. McTurtle.
Thanks for all the help today, Rocky. We couldn't have made Bear Island without you. Well, I had the best time ever. Before I go, is there anything else I can help you with? Well, there is one thing. You can join us for a wiggle and wag. We built a Bear Island!
Rubble and Crew! And it's pumptastic! That's what we do! Here's some glue to stick on the rocks. Ready, aim, glue! Okay, the rock climbing wall is set. Let's get you back to your family. All right, Motor, you're on it. Motor, get up and go, go, go! Just like Super Squirrely Whirly! Go, Motor! Do it! Do it! All right! Go, Motor! There! Baby bird home! Baby bird safe. Yay! You did it, Motor! Yay! Way to go, Motor! You're a real hero! We all heroes. Wow, we've been out here so long, the sun is already setting. Aw, I guess we have to stop playing soon. But Motor don't want to stop. Yeah, we didn't even get to play Super Squirrely Whirly. Motor, Lily, of course we did. We ran all around the playground and helped to rescue a baby bird.
Just like Super Squirrely Whirly would.
Whoa! So we did have the best Super Squirrely Whirly playdate ever. Oh, woo! Best day ever! Let's make this best day ever even better with a wiggle and wag. We built the Squirrely Whirly playground. Rubble and Crew! And it's pumptastic! That's what we do! It sure is, Charger. A surprise dinosaur birthday party!
Wow, 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 wow! Dinosaur decorations? A dinosaur bounce house? And my family? How can this birthday get any better? Oh, Charger! Sierra Sparkle! Hi! It can get better. Happy birthday, Charger! This song's for you. Drop me a beat, DJ Rubble. Let's get this party started. It's a dino birthday for who? It's a dino birthday for you. Happy dino birthday to Charger. Happy dino birthday to you. And all your family are here to spread some big birthday cheer. It's a dino birthday for Charger. Yeah! We built this dino birthday for you.
That's not all. Oh, no, no, no.
Hit it, DJ Rubble! Bow, wow, wow! DJ Rubble in the museum! Let's get this crystal show started! My name is Rubble and I'm here to say Lily made a big discovery today!
Oh, yeah!
She dug up crystals and wouldn't you know, they sparkle, they shine to make a colorful crystal show!
Yo! And it's looking good, pups.
They're red, they're blue, purple and green. They glow in more colors than we have ever seen.
So many pretty colors.
But it started to rain.
Oh, no!
There was just one thing to do. We had to move it inside to make Lily's dream come true. Woohoo!
Wow, and you did. Aw, thank you, pups. Thank you. Aw, Lily, you're welcome. But Lily found them, so thank you.
That's right! This big discovery will be here in the museum for people to enjoy for a long time.
So, pups, can we keep this party going?
Of course. Come on, family. Let's wiggle and wag. We built a crystal show.
Rubble and crew.
And it's pumptastic.
That's what we do.
Hello? Where's everybody? It's me, Rubble, from your family. Huh? I smell kibble.
Surprise!
Wow! I don't know what this is, but I do know I love it.
It's a super snack dispenser.
What?
Just press the button for the flavor you want.
And the kibble will come from in here, go through these pipes, and land in your bowl.
Now you can have Grandpa's kibble ready whenever you want it.
Kibble whenever I want? This is the most pumptastic surprise ever! Thanks, family!
Try it, try it.
Kibble for everyone!
Awesome!
Kibble!
Hey, family! All this kibble in my belly makes me want to kibble and wag.
I mean, wiggle and wag. They built a snack dispenser!
Rubble and crew! And it's pumptastic! That's what we do!
Who wants seconds?
Well, Truffles, what do you think? Truffles loves it. I repeat, Truffles loves it. Time to skate. Ready, Truffles? Let's skate. Wait! Huh? We can't skate without music. Hey, Rubble, can we get some roller tunes?
I thought you'd never ask.
The big finish, I present the amazing, outstanding Truffles, doing the never-before-seen triple sow pig.
Go Truffles! Go Truffles!
1, 2, 3, 6!
We built a roller rink! Rubble and Crew! And it's fantastic! That's what we do! All right!
I did it! We gotta go that way! Rubble on the double! Here comes Charger with more wood!
Come on, pups. We're almost there.
I think we're getting close.
Motor here.
We found you!
Woohoo! Yay! Motor free. Woohoo! Yay!
Wheeley!
Thanks, pups. I knew I could count on you.
You're welcome. Wow! The flowers are even prettier from up here. Amazing!
Yo! Great building, pups.
We couldn't have done it without your singing.
Thanks for keeping the flowers safe. I can't wait to use this path the next time I want to sing and look at the super bloom.
Then we should bow wow finish this build. One more nail and this super bloom path is done.
Hey, Rubble, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I sure am. It's time for an opera wiggle and wag.
Down the ramp we come.
We built a super bloom path.
Rubble and Crew.
And it's pop-tastic.
That's what we do.
Looks so exciting!
Only one thing left to do. Try it out!
Ready, Mr. Duckadoo? 3, 2,
1, Okay, Mayor Great Way. I think we're ready for that picture. Say cheese!
Wait, we're missing something!
What?
You pups! Come on, join us for a skydiving selfie!
Now this is how you zoom,
Come on! Let's do a mid-air wiggle and wag! Then take a selfie! We built the skydiving center! Rubble and Crew! And it's fantastic! That's what we do! Okay, everyone! Say skydiving! Skydiving!
Rubble, thank you! It's totally awesome!
You're totally welcome! And I can't wait to see what your next big stunt will be.
We're working on it!
Your surfboard, and even made our own, too.
Thank you, pups. You're so sweet. One question. Why do we need this very awesome-looking surf bridge?
Very good question. The sand was way too hot to walk on. Our paws were sizzling.
Yeah, we were like, ooh, ah,
Well, that was some smart thinking. I only have one thing left to say. Let's go catch some waves! Okay, here I go.
Go, Wendy Crane!
Hang 10. Oh, yeah.
Wait for us, Wendy Crane!
Keep your balance, pups. Stand closer to the middle of your board. You got this.
Hey, that helps!
Let's surf into the ocean. Feel the waves. So good. Love the wind in my fur.
Wow! Look at Auntie Crane go!
Oh, yeah! Wahoo! This brings back memories. Thanks, my new surfing buddies.
You're welcome, Auntie Crane. Now there's only one thing left to do. Wiggle and wag and surf. We built a surf bridge!
Rubble and crew!
And it's fantastic!
That's what we do!
Surf zone!
You can do it!
Come on, family!
The runway is dry. I repeat, the runway is dry.
Nice raised runway. Wow, those pups can build anything.
See, Buttons? Now the planes land way up there. And you can walk through down here, like this. Do-do-do, I'm a baby deer, walking on through, no problem.
Okay, Buttons, go through just like Rubble. Look, your mama's waiting for you.
It worked. Oh, dear? I was gonna say, oh, what a wonderful reunion, but that works too.
The raised runway is a huge success, pups. And look, Buttons isn't the only critter using it.
A critter crossing!
Aww.
Fantastic!
On behalf of all the animals in Builder Cove, I thank you, Rubble and crew.
And on behalf of Rubble and crew, I invite you to Wiggle and Wag! We raised our runway!
Rubble and crew!
And it's pup-tastic!
That's what we do! Banana flag coming in.
Banana signs painted!
Banana banners going up.
There! Now we are done, the banana done!
Oh, thank you, pups. But what if it's too late in the day for anyone to walk by? Nobody will know it's Banana Day!
Don't worry, Dad. I figured out what to sing about to get the whole town here. Oh!
Oh, the Sierra Sparkle concert is starting. Come on, Mr. Decadoo. Ooh, come on.
Come on, Builder Cove. It's Banana Day. Time to eat bananas and shout hooray! Hooray! You can make banana bread, pie, and pudding too. I'd like to make banana treats, and so can you. Let's celebrate bananas, hey, hey, hey. At Grocer Gabriel's Banana Day. At Grocer Gabriel's Banana
Great work, crew. Smells like
Banana kibble treats!
banana kibble treats.
This is the best banana day ever!
I agree!
Drill that screw!
That's what you do.
Ready and go!
Show us what you know.
Bounce and build,
Bounce and build,
love to build all day long. Bounce and build,
bounce and build.
that's why we sing this song.
Oh yeah!
Bounce, bounce, we're almost done.
Bounce, bounce. Building is fun. Bounce, bounce.
Thank you! But our big finish isn't finished. Presenting the astonishing, astounding Auntie Crane!
All right!
Auntie Crane is the best!
Now for the big finish, my famous move! Tornado Twirler!
Now that's a big finish!
Oh, thank you, Pops! Not only did I get to see a show today, I got to be in it!
Aw, we're happy to see you in it, Auntie Crane.
Come on, family. Let's wiggle and wag. We built a construction show.
Rubble and Crew.
And it's pucktastic.
That's what we do. Now, jumping on the diving board, whee! Makes the bench swing.
Now that looks like friendship. Great timing, Mayor Greatway. Your diving board is done.
Wonderful! But, did you ever find out who took all the supplies? It was you, Mr. Duckadoo?
It's only because he wanted to surprise you with his own gift. Come on, it's time for you both to be surprised.
Oh my, what could the surprise be?
You'll find out. Open your eyes.
Surprise!
What a great diving board specially made for ducks! And wait a minute, is that a bench for me?
Yep, you both had great gift ideas for each other, so we combined them. Go try them out.
Woo! I agree, Mr. Duckadoo. It is wonderful. Thank you, Pops. We both love our gifts.
There's one more thing left to do. On Friendship Day, wiggle and wag. We built our special gift.
Rubble and Crew.
And it's fantastic.
That's what we do.
Happy Friendship Day, Mr. Duckadoo. You're my best friend. And happy Friendship Day to you too, Rubble and Crew. Bring it in.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, son, do your thing.
The sun is powering the bus. I repeat, the sun is powering the bus.
It'll keep charging more and more, all the way to Sierra Sparkle's concert. Aroo!
Hello, everyone. Come on. Let's go.
To the Sierra Sparkle concert!
Hello, Builder Cove friends! I'm so excited you could join me at this beautiful place at the most beautiful time, sunset. Whoa, mountain top with a cool breeze. I wanna be out in nature, please. Sunset across the pretty sky. The birds all flapping on by. Our solar bus gets power from the sun. Thanks, Rubble and Crew, you got the job done. Come on, everyone, sing with me. Mountain top with a cool breeze. I wanna be out in nature, please.
I make it? Did I make it? Walking, too much work. I should have ridden the bus. Yappa-Rosie.
Here you go. One shiny new lucky bat.
Wow, it's pup-tastic. It's even got a little hard hat on it.
Yep, we added that for good luck. Think you can break the record with it?
Thanks to you, pups. I'm ready to try.
Yappa-Rosie.
It's going, going, going.
Gone! That's home run number 100!
Whoa! Fireworks? From a baseball? Nice touch. Booyah!
Well, I mean, actually, that was pretty cool. Yappa-Rosie.
Thank you, Rubble and crew, for everything. I couldn't have broken the home run record without you. So, want to run the bases with me?
Of course. Come on, family. Let's wiggle and wag our way to home plate. We built a ballpark. Rubble and crew. And it's fantastic. That's what we do.
Gus, Penny, you made it.
Of course we did. We didn't want to miss you hitting 100 home runs.
Yeah, you were awesome!
We love you.
Yeah, you're the best, Aaron. We love you. Bounce, bounce, love that rhyme. Doodlebops crew. That's what you do. Ready and go. Show us what you know. Bounce and build, bounce and build. Love to build all day long. Bounce and build, bounce and build. That's why we sing this song. Oh yeah! Bounce, bounce, we're almost done. Bounce, bounce, building is fun. Bounce, bounce. Now that's a puptastic looking Ferris wheel. Great job, crew.
This looks like the ride for me. Can we go on so I can see?
You know it, Grocer Gabrielle. Let's take a ride.
I love being up high. And I love that it goes nice and slow. This is the best beach day ever.
It's so good to finally hear you sing that, Grocer Gabrielle.
Yeah, I guess we made a really great ride. Get it? Wheelie?
I get it, 'cause it's a Ferris wheel. So funny.
Best of all, we gave Grocer Gabrielle the best beach day ever. Time to celebrate with the wiggle and wag. We built a Ferris wheel! Rubble and crew! And it's pup-tastic! That's what we do!
This really is a wonderful view. Thank you, Rubble and crew.
And last but not least, bookshelves for all our new books. We're done. And just in time. Here comes Camilla with the books.
Hey there, pups. Got some treats for ya.
Mother don't mind.
Those aren't the only treats I brought. Check it out.
Ooh. Now that's some real treasure.
There we go! The last book! Thank you, pups. I don't know how I'd have stored all these new books without you.
is one incredible place to read for people, pups, bees, and trees.
And I think our job here is done. Or should I say, Doug? Come on, family. Let's wiggle and wag. We built library tunnels.
Rubble and Crew!
And they're pup-tastic.
That's what we do!
Oh, pups. Anybody ready for the next King Pother adventure?
We sure!
Brave King Pother was walking through the woods when he saw a mysterious, deep, dark tunnel.
And then what? And then what?
We'll find out. But be patient, my pups. We've got a lot to read.
Ooh, nice touch. It is nice to be sorta, kinda part of the sign.
And I think it's nice that we are done. Because look!
She's here! She's here! Sierra Sparkle is here!
Hello, my daughter. Welcome to your new home.
Thanks, Dad. And wow, look at that! Pups, did you build that for me?
It's the least we could do for the most famous citizen to ever live in Builder Cove!
Yeah, Rosie.
Well, I love this sign. And I'm gonna love living here in Builder Cove with my dad and all my friends.
Especially you, pups. How about I sing a song to celebrate the day?
A song!
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
Builder Cove is where I live. This place has so much to give. Whether you come from far or near, you are always welcome here. This song's from me to all of you, especially my friends, Rubble and Crew. Thank you all for welcoming me. Builder Cove is the best place to be.
Yes!
Wait, is this a bowling alley?
Surprise!
For me?
Yup. Just wait till you see inside.
Oh my! This is amazing! With lanes, huh? And a ball return?
And a cubby for Old Blue.
Wow!
So you won't lose it again.
That's a nice cubby, but that's not Old Blue.
Grandpa, that is Old Blue. We're sorry, Grandpa. We borrowed Old Blue to make it a cubby, but then we accidentally broke it. And then we repaired it. And we hope you still like it.
Oh, wow! It's even better than Old Blue for a very special reason. Because you pups made it for me.
Aww.
And look at those paw prints. Your paw prints. Aw, thank you, my pups. I can't wait to bowl with New Blue.
Yeah!
Here we go. Almost. Yeah!
It's a steer right! Go, Grandpa, go! And go, Rubble and Crew! Let's celebrate with the wiggle and wag. We built a bowling alley!
Rubble and Crew!
And it's pup-tastic!
That's what we do!
Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Where'd New Blue go? I lost it again.
No,
Huh?
Quick, gotta hurry. Come on, pups.
Huh?
I got you guys.
Grandpa!
I'm so funny.
Bounce and build.
Bounce and build.
That's why we sing this song.
Oh, yeah!
Bounce, bounce, we're almost done.
Bounce, bounce, building is fun! Bounce, bounce!
Yay! Fantastic job, everyone! Our super table is big enough to seat everyone in Builder Cove.
Oh, I should have made my concrete mashed potato mound even bigger.
That was you, Mr. Speedmeister?
Whoops. Well, I mean, no, okay, I'm sorry. I was just upset that I wasn't invited to your Builder Cove Giving Day meal.
Speedmeister, of course you were. Everyone was invited to join us.
Yeah, I told Mr. Ducky-Doo to tell Mr. McTurtle you were both invited.
Huh? Mr. McTurtle, I asked you what Mr. Ducky-Doo said, and oh, you were trying to tell me. Oh, so, pups. I am invited, Mr. McTurtle, too?
You bet. Builder Cove Giving Day is all about sharing a meal with everyone. And that means you too.
Oh, well, okay. Thank you, Rubble. That makes me feel really, really good.
Fantastic! Come on, everyone. Let's dig in.
Here you go.
Let's eat!
Oh, I can't wait.
Chili!
Good.
This really is the best Builder Cove Giving Day ever! Yep, there's just one thing left to do. A Builder Cove Wiggle and Wag! It's Builder Cove Giving Day! Rubble and Crew! And it's pup-tastic! That's what we do! From our pup family to your family, happy Builder Cove Giving Day! What is it?
I see Ducky!
Oh no! Ducky in trouble!
Ducky's in need of some rescuing fast! Good thing I'm here! Coach Karima! The Lifeguard!
Woohoo!
Go, Coach Karima!
Rescue Ducky!
Here I come, Ducky!
Ducky's going further out to sea.
Motor can't launch.
I'm coming for you, Ducky! Oh, too slippery! Gotcha, little lucky duck.
Yeah! She's got Ducky! Motor can't wait to see Ducky again.
Here you go, Motor.
Ducky!
Nice and safe.
Thank you!
You were amazing out there, Coach Karima the Lifeguard. Thanks, Rubble. But I couldn't have done it today without your crew's amazing builder skills. Nice hustle today, team. Put 'em in. Go.
Rubble and Crew!
Coach Karima's always doing sports stuff. You're so cool.
Only thing that'd make today even cooler is a wiggle and wag on the beach. We built a lifeguard tower. Rubble and Crew! And it's pup-tastic. That's what we do.
Okay, crew. Go long.
Ready, aim, light! It works! I hope Camilla can see it. Let's angle it into the ocean to help her out.
The shore's gotta be around here somewhere. Yes! The pups fixed the light! Whoa! Oh, phew! Now I can finally get to shore.
Camilla, are you okay?
Better than okay, Rubble. I made my delivery on time. Here it is! Surprise! Dog treats! Zesty Bestie Cheddar Cheese flavor!
My favorite zesty bestie flavor. Perfect to eat while we watch the stars. All right, stars and snacks. Great combo. Let's go!
Now that the sky is nice and clear, we can see the North Star, the Little Dipper, and hey, there's the Big Dipper!
There's the big snacker!
These are so good. Only thing better than stars and snacks are stars, snacks, and a wiggle and wag. We fixed the lighthouse!
Rubble and Crew! And it's pup-tastic! That's what we do!
Wow! Stars are so cool.
Time to lay down a smash hit. Fantastic painting sounds. Nailed it. Okay, Charger. You can look now.
I love it, I love it, I love it! I'm barkless! Thank you, family! This is the bed of my dreams!
You haven't even heard the best part. Hit it, DJ Rubble!
Sleepy, sleepy little pup. Construction sounds don't keep you up. Hammers, drills, here's what they do. Help you sleep the whole night through. Sleepy, sleepy little pup. Construction sounds won't wake you up.
Well done, my pups. The new super bed put Charger right to sleep. My pups? Sleep tight, my pups. Tomorrow's another big day of building.
One birdseed dispenser, done, done, done.
Get ready to fill your bellies, my ducks.
Grab it! Lift it! Move it!
Drive it!
Okay, family and ducks, let's go to the lake.
Bye, my pups. Bye, my ducks.
Go on, little ducks. That duckie's gonna try it.
Something tells me they won't be following us back to the barkyard again.
And that means it's time to celebrate with a wiggle and wag. We built a duck bridge! Rubble and crew! And it's pumptastic! That's what we do! So, what do you think?
What do we think? Nix, that's a moon makeover masterpiece! Now we really gotta howl! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! Grab the moon, lift the moon, move the moon! Let's power up these rocket ships! Wow! You can say that again! No, wait! I will! Wow! Come on, crew! What are we waiting for? Let's blast off!
Let's go! Hey, family! Thanks for making my artistic pup dreams come true. I don't know how this night could get any better.
I do! How about a rocket ship ride, wiggle and wag? We built a rocket ship ride!
Rubble and crew!
And it's pumptastic!
That's what we do!
We're
can say that again.
I always do. I repeat, we're flying!
Good luck, Santa! And sorry about almost ruining Christmas! My bad!
I'm proud of you, Speedmeister. From now on, maybe you can always do nice things for people.
Nice things? Not so sure about that. Maybe! Well, Mr. McTurtle, it's just you and me for Christmas. Now what? Aw, you saved me a fried pickle? Aw. Yeah, Rosie. A Merry Christmas to you too, Mr. McTurtle. You know what? Here you go, buddy. Hey, you bit my half!
On Charger, on Wheeler, on Mix, on Rubble!
Rubble on the double!
Ho, ho, ho!
Mr. Ducky Doo, did you hear that? It sounds like...
Ho, ho, ho!
Santa!
And the pups are pulling him!
Way to go, my pups!
Rubble and crew, you truly made Christmas magical!
Merry Christmas to all! And to all, take it away, Rubble!
A good wiggling way! Woohoo! We made Christmas magical! Rubble and crew! And it's pup-tastic! That's what we do! Now let's go deliver more toys!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
We won the trophy, but we can't give it to Grandpa because it's ruined.
Huh? You wanted to win the trophy? For me?
Yeah, because you never won it when you played in the construction games.
Aw, that's very sweet. But you know, when I competed in the construction games, I never focused on winning the trophy.
Then why did you play in the games?
Well, because it was fun. And I love building and fixing things, just like you pups.
You're right, Grandpa. We do love building and fixing things. And we like helping the community. So let's go do what we do best. Bow wow build, and let's go fix everything Speedmeister ruined in Builder Cove. Grab it, lift it, move it!
This way! Nice!
We got this. Rubble on the double. Ready, aim, concrete!
Way to go, my pups! You fixed everything in Builder Cove. You make me so proud.
Thanks, Grandpa. And now I so want to celebrate with the Wiggle and Wag. We play construction games. Rubble and crew! And it's pup-tastic. That's what we do! Speedmeister.